guys, thanks for tuning in. It's a beautiful day today, so I had to take advantage of this nice day. It's only -8, the sun is shining, and I thought I'd take a little hike into the woods, an area that I like. I just hiked in just a few minutes ago off the road. You can see my trail there. We're gonna cook some good country goulash. Come join me and it should be a fun afternoon. Alright, so I cleared a lot of the branches that were sticking out and that I might run into and stuff, and as I was doing it I was walking around with my snowshoes on, so it packed down everything pretty good. Branches that I took down are good and dry, so it'll be good for some firewood. So yeah, I'm gonna start a little fire and cook up some foods. Nice dead tree here. Yeah, so I got an area all cleared out here. I dug it up with my snowshoes to get a little bit more level instead of on top of the snow. Got a little big piece of log that I'm going to use to sit on. So I'm going to put my thermo cover down. Over top. Then put my nice wool blanket to keep me nice. Have a nice little toasty little area to sit. Yeah. There we go. Let's see how sturdy that is. Oh, there. Perfect. Up from the ground. Fire's right here. I collected I collected some birch bark to get the fire started and some dry grass. That will get it going really good. Alright guys, perfect. I got some good coals going on the fire right now, so I'm getting a little thirsty, so I'm gonna open one of my favorites, Crack Canoe. Really good beer. Yeah, have a cold one for a few minutes. Enjoy the nice fire here. There we go. Yeah, let's put a few more sticks on here. Get things going. I'm gonna boil my water for my noodles. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a stick, hang it over, boil my water. Boil some water here. Wait for that to boil. I'll have my beer here. Not even cold, don't even need a toque on or gloves. It's probably down to -7 now. Nice. Don't even know what time it is. I think it's around probably 2 o'clock now. Let's start with an onion. Oh, roll away onion. There we go. See me all right there? Probably don't need the whole onion, but I like onion. Oh, a little baby red pepper. Yeah, you can put whatever you want in a goulash. So I had red pepper, onion in the fridge today, so that's what we got today. Ooh, I hear that water boil. Water's boiling good now. There. Put my little bow tie noodles in. Now, goulash is not goulash without a little bit of garlic. Gotta have the garlic. So I'm going to put the hamburger on. Just had hamburger patties at home, so I thought I would use those up. They're still a little frozen, but that's alright. Let's start frying the We got some mini carrots. Then I got a little zucchini to put in. Get rid of some of the ends there. See how these noodles come. It's boiling good. The noodles are boiling good. There we go. Enough. These spices I made up, there's a little bit of garlic, salt, oregano, salt and pepper all in together. Right. Throw all your veggies in. Take it off there. Put all the veggies right in there. soon as I added that spice, the smell is awesome. Give it all a stir there. And that. There we go. Looking good. Alright, my noodles are all done. They can come off. There we go. So the noodles can go right into the big pot now. My tomato juice can go right in there as well. Alright, so we're going to put all of this nice deliciousness right in here. Wow, you guys can smell it. It smells amazing. That garlic, onions, everything. All in there nice. Oh yeah. So now, we just let that all simmer on the coals that we have here. Everything will soften up nice, all the veggies. Look at that. Good stuff. Let me get a nice spot. Nice spot right here for it to sit. Alright, so we're going to let that simmer right there. Nice. Put this on top for the lid. Let's see, we'll go better that way. Yeah, better that way. Use that as the lid. There we go. Getting hungry. It's about 3:15 now, so yeah, I came in to the woods about 1 o'clock actually, 1 o'clock, and yeah, it's time to enjoy some of this goulash. Oh yeah, looks delicious. Yep, it smells delicious too. So there we go, backcountry goulash. Well guys, thanks for coming out with me today. Hope you follow me and subscribe. And join me on lots more adventures and cooking in the woods.